Okay, for now, Aaron, we will have our reading basic 1. Can you see the material on the screen? Am I audible?
Yes.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, let's have first our warm up. Okay, what did you see in the picture?
Rabbit.
Again, what is it?
The boy has a pet rabbit.
Okay, you see a boy. He has a pet. What pet is it?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Very good. The boy has a pet rabbit. So what pet do you want?
Dog. The
You want
boy has a pet dog.
Okay, the boy has a
I
pet
want
dog.
a
Very
pet.
good. Okay, very good.
I want a pet dog.
Very good,
I
Aaron.
want a pet dog.
The Yes. Okay, next. It's lagi siya pa next. Okay, sorry. It's very
The boy
lag.
has a pet cat. I want has a pet cat.
What pet is this?
Cat.
Pet. What kind of pet? Is it a dog or a cat?
Cat. It is a dog. A
It is a what is it?
cat.
A
Cat.
pet. That is a pet cat. Okay, can you read? I want.
The,
Oh,
the
oops.
boy
Sorry.
has a pet.
The boy is a pet cat. My gosh.
The boy has
Uh,
a pet cat.
okay. Next. What pet do you want? Do you want a dog?
I
A
want
cat?
I want a pet rabbit.
You want a pet rabbit? How about in your house? What pet did you have? What pet did you have in your house?
No.
You don't have a pet in your house?
Yes.
Oh, but you want a pet rabbit.
No.
No, also. What pet do you want? Do you want to have a
What
pet
a
like this in the
pet
picture?
bird.
What did you see in the
The,
picture?
the, the girl has a pet bird. What I
Okay.
want a pet bird.
Okay. The girl,
Has
the
a
girl
pet
has a pet bird.
bird.
Correct. Okay. Very good. That I will give you a reward. Okay. So, how about the
Shoes.
picture? What
Shoes.
did you see?
Shoes. Shoes.
Again, a shoe.
Black
What color?
shoes.
What color is the first shoe?
Black shoes.
It is a
Black shoes.
black shoes. Very good. How about the second shoe? What color is that? What color is the second shoes?
Is black.
Again, the second shoe?
Is black.
Aaron? The second shoe is color pink.
It is color pink.
Yes, it is color pink. Di lagi siya mag-click. Cannot be click. Wait for a minute. Di lagi siya mag-click siya. Okay. What did you observe in the picture? The first shoe fits, while the second shoe is cannot be fit.
Is color pink.
Yes. So, do you have a shoes?
The
Do you have shoes,
shoes
Aaron?
is is fit.
Do you have shoes, Aaron? Can you hear me?
Is yes.
Oh, yes. How many shoes do you have?
I I have two.
You have only 2 shoes. Again, how many shoes do you have?
I have two.
Yes,
I have
I
only
have 2 shoes.
two.
Okay. So, please, can you read, Aaron? Please read, Aaron.
Shoes fit my feet.
Okay. The shoes fit my feet. Very good, Aaron. Okay. What did you observe or see in the picture?
What did you see in the picture? Oh, I
Oh, what did
don't
you
know.
see in the picture? Can you tell me
I
what
don't
the
know.
picture is? Oh, you don't know. This has a girl and a boy.
Boy, a girl
What did
and
they
a
do?
boy.
What did the girl and boy do? Aaron, what did they do? They are pulling the rope. Okay, please read, Aaron.
The, they put the rock.
They they pull the rope. Again,
They put the rope.
they pull.
Rope.
Yes, they pull
The,
the rope. Can you say
the
pull?
put the
Can you
rope.
say pull? Like this, pull.
Put.
Yes, like that. They are playing pull the rope or the tug of war. How about this one? Can you see
Oh,
in the picture? What did he do?
yes.
What did he do, Aaron? Okay, he do like break. He break the pencil. Should you break the pencil, Aaron? Should do again. Please read, Aaron. Don't break it. Okay?
Break it.
Again, don't break it.
Don't break it.
Yes, the word is break. Okay, my laptop is lagging. Another one. What did you see in the picture?
Baby.
It is a baby. Okay, the baby is in the Ground. What happened to the baby? Okay, please read, Aaron.
The baby. The
The
baby
baby
was
falls on
first on the
ground.
ground.
Okay.
Ground.
Again, the baby falls on the ground.
The baby falls on the ground.
Okay, the baby falls. Can you say again the
Strong,
word
strong.
falls? Fall.
The baby falls on the ground.
Okay, very good, Aaron. Now I
Strong.
will
The
give
man is
you.
strong.
Oh,
The
yes,
man
the
is
man
strong.
is strong. Yes, the man is strong. What did what did the boy do? What did the man do? Okay, please read, Jacob. Oh, Aaron, sorry.
Is very strong.
Okay, Jacob is very
No,
strong. Do you want to be strong, Aaron?
no, no.
Do you want to be strong? Oh, your camera is off. Okay. Do you want to be strong like Jacob, Aaron?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, how about this picture? What did you see in the picture? What
Happy.
did Again?
The boy is happy.
The boy is happy. Okay. Again, the boy is happy, but what did he do?
Nó hỏi khi tôi đọc.
Okay, he is playing in the slide. Okay, please read, Aaron.
Right. The boy likes to slide.
Okay, again,
The
please read.
slide. The
The
boy
boy
likes to
like,
slide.
yes, the boy like to
To
slide. Can you
slide.
repeat the word slide?
Slide.
Slide. Okay, very good. Oh. Again, please repeat. Slide.
Slide.
Yes, very good, Aaron. Okay, now here.
Need. Put. Bird.
Break.
Flag.
Break.
Break.
Yes, very good, Aaron.
Break.
Next,
Break.
fall.
Roll. Strong. Slide.
Slide. So very
Slide.
good. So now, listen to the words and we will put the numbers in it. What is the first word that we will put? Number one. It is the b. Break. Again, can you repeat the word?
Break.
Break.
Picture three.
Can you repeat the
Picture
word, Aaron? Break.
Picture three. Break.
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 Very good. So now here, oh, oops, sorry. Another word is pull.
Good.
Again,
Picture two.
pull.
Good.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Next, fit.
Picture one.
Yes, fit. Can you read fit?
Picture four.
Yes, fall. Can you read again? Fall. Aaron?
Four.
Okay, very good. How about this?
Four.
Strong.
Strong. Strong.
Slide.
Slide.
Yes, very
Slide.
good. Okay, very good, Aaron. Oops. So I will give you another reward. Next, you will see in the picture. What can you see in the picture one? Is it a break or a pull?
Put.
Okay. Can you encircle,
Put.
Aaron? Can you
No.
encircle? No? Okay. So,
Mm.
teacher will encircle na lang. Ay, na lang. Sorry. Okay. This, the three kids is having
Put.
pool. Okay, very good.
Put.
How about the picture number two? How about
Red.
it is
Red.
break? Very good. How about the picture number three, Aaron?
Slide.
Yes, very good. The two kids are having slide. And the picture number four, is it strong
Strong.
or fall? It is
Strong. Strong.
strong. Very good. Oops. Okay, I will give you another reward. Now, we will have a story telling. So, can you read the title of the story, Aaron? Okay. Wait a minute. Can you read the title of the story, Aaron? Aaron, are you still there?
Can you let the tiger off
Okay.
the
Aaron, the title of the story is A Pet for Sammy. Can you read it again? A Pet for Sammy.
a bed of sunny?
Yes, very good. Can you read it again? A Pet for
A pet
Sammy.
for sunny.
Yes, very good. Okay, can you read the first sentence, Aaron? Can you read this one?
Sunny new pet is a big black pig.
Okay,
Sunday,
continue.
big. Sunday had ho- home.
Okay, Sammy.
Spring.
Yes, very good. Okay, teacher will repeat. Sammy's new pet is a big black pig. Sammy calls him Slim. Okay, so who has a pet?
Sunday comes from Slim.
Yes, very good. So who has a pet, Aaron? Who has a pet?
Who has a pig? Big
Who
pig.
has a pet?
Pig.
Who has a pet?
Yes.
Okay. Sammy. Sammy
Sunday.
has a
Sunday
pet. Very
has
good.
a pet.
Yes. So, can you read the next one, Aaron?
Hmm?
Can you read this?
Pet from Sunday. But Slim.
Mm,
Slim not fit in the door. Sunday
pools.
put put him,
Pulls
him,
him out.
pull him out.
Yes, at home, Slim doesn't fit in the door. Sammy pulls him out. Who pulls Slim out of the door?
Push, push, him
It
out,
is who
out,
pulls
out,
Slim
put the,
out.
for the dog.
Who pulls Slim out of the door? Who?
Who,
Okay,
who slim,
okay, Sammy.
it,
Sammy pulls him
some
out.
pulls him out.
So again, I will ask you, Aaron, who pulls Slim
Some
out of
pulls,
the door? Aaron.
some pulls him
Out.
out.
Yes, very good, Aaron. I will give you another reward for that. Next. Okay, can you please read, Aaron?
Oh,
What happened to them?
they play on the
Swing.
they
They
swing.
play on
Suddenly,
the swing.
slippers it. They they
Fall.
they they fall in the mud.
Mud. Yes, they
Mud.
play on the swing. But Slim breaks it and they fall in the mud. Where did they fall?
Slim is strong. Some left on has black days these
Slide.
slide slide
They slide
not the
down,
home hungry
down the
won't
hill.
get
Okay,
uh,
again. They
yeah,
slide down the hill.
they
Ay,
they slide the hero.
okay, Aaron. napili- As much as I want to continue, but it is already time. Thank you for attending our class tonight. Goodbye, Aaron. Pilit na.